In the vast universe of the financial market, where investment opportunities arise and disappear in the blink of an eye, one strategy has stood out over the years as a reliable source of passive income: dividends. In this video, we will explore the fascinating journey of how dividends can become the fastest route to achieving the long-awaited financial independence, with a clear goal in mind: living off of dividends and enjoying a consistent monthly income, as Warren Buffett has always advocated. The video you are about to watch is a valuable source of knowledge available on YouTube, which unveils the secrets behind the strategy of living off of dividends. Through detailed analysis and shared wisdom, we will discover how dividends are not just a form of return on investment, but rather a powerful vehicle for building wealth over time. Throughout this journey, we will highlight the importance of dividends as a reliable source of passive income, capable of providing financial stability and freedom to achieve the most ambitious dreams. We will explore how dividends not only complement stock market returns, but also represent a significant portion of total returns over time, as we will see in more detail later on. So, get ready to dive deep into the world of dividends, understand their mechanics, and discover how Warren Buffett, the legendary investor, has used this powerful tool to accumulate wealth throughout his life. This video promises to be a source of inspiration and knowledge for those seeking to tread the path of financial independence through dividends. So, without further ado, let's begin this journey towards financial success. Understanding dividends. Dividends are like the foundation of a solid financial building, supporting the structure of financial independence and providing stability amidst market fluctuations. But what are dividends, and why are they so essential for those seeking financial freedom? At its core, dividends represent the portion of a company's profits that is distributed to its shareholders. When a company earns a profit, it has several options on how to use that money: reinvest in business expansion, buy back its own shares, or distribute part of those profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. It is this last option that interests us here. The importance of dividends for financial independence is undeniable. Unlike capital gains, which depend on selling assets for realization, dividends are a continuous source of passive income. They are regularly paid to shareholders, providing a stable source of income that can be used to cover expenses, reinvest, or simply enjoy life without worrying about finances. But how exactly do dividends work, and how are they paid to shareholders? The process is relatively simple. When a company declares dividends, it announces the amount that will be distributed per share and the date on which registered shareholders will receive the payment. Typically, dividends are paid quarterly, but some companies opt for monthly or annual payments. Dividends can be paid in cash, in the form of a check sent by mail, or deposited directly into the shareholder's account. Alternatively, dividends can also be paid in the form of additional shares, known as stock dividends. In this case, shareholders receive new shares of the company instead of cash. Warren Buffett's investment philosophy. Warren Buffett, known as the Oracle of Omaha, is a legendary figure in the world of investments. His investment philosophy is studied and admired by millions of people around the world, and his advice is often cited as a source of inspiration for those seeking to build wealth consistently and sustainably. One of the cornerstones of Buffett's investment philosophy is the crucial role dividends play in building a solid portfolio and pursuing financial independence. Buffett is an avid advocate of dividends, recognizing their fundamental importance in the wealth accumulation process over time. He often emphasizes that dividends are not only a source of passive income, but also a clear sign of financial health and business maturity. As Buffett has stated, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. That is the essence of dividends, allowing money to work for you. even when you are not actively involved in the financial markets. Throughout his career, Buffett has emphasized the importance of diversification and careful selection of dividend-paying stocks. He firmly believes that a well-diversified portfolio is essential for mitigating risks and protecting invested capital. However, Buffett is also selective about the companies he invests in, seeking those with solid financial fundamentals, enduring competitive advantages, and a proven track record of consistent dividend payments. Buffett has been known to invest in companies with recognized brands, resilient business models, and a culture of returning value to shareholders. He believes that by carefully choosing stocks of solid and reliable companies, it is possible to build a dividend portfolio that generates passive income consistently over time. As he himself has said, diversification is protection against ignorance. It makes little sense if you know what you're doing. These words echo the importance of making informed and grounded decisions when building an investment portfolio. Strategies for building a dividend portfolio. Building a solid and sustainable dividend portfolio requires a careful and strategic approach. Here are some essential strategies that can help investors achieve this goal. Selection of dividend-paying stocks. One of the first steps in building a dividend portfolio is to carefully select dividend-paying stocks. It is important to seek companies with a stable or growing history of dividend payments, as this demonstrates the company's ability to generate consistent cash flow over time. Sectors such as consumer goods, utilities, and healthcare often feature companies that pay attractive dividends due to the stable and essential nature of their businesses. Diversification. Diversification is key to reducing risks and protecting invested capital. By spreading investments across different sectors and industries, investors can mitigate the impact of adverse events affecting a specific sector. It is important to avoid putting all investments in a single sector, as this increases exposure to concentrated risks. Long-term perspective. A long-term investment approach is crucial for success in building a dividend portfolio. Following Warren Buffett's investment philosophy, which favors investing in solid and reliable companies for an extended period, can be an effective strategy. Additionally, reinvesting dividends over time can significantly increase the total return on investment, leveraging the power of compound interest. Risk assessment. When selecting dividend-paying stocks, it is essential to assess the risks associated with each company. Avoiding companies with high debt or a history of frequent dividend cuts can help protect the portfolio against adverse events. Companies with strong balance sheets and economic resilience are preferable, as they are better able to face challenges and maintain consistent dividend payments over time. Monitoring and adjustments. Finally, it is important to regularly review the portfolio and make adjustments as necessary. Market conditions and the financial situation of companies can change over time, so it is crucial to be aware of these changes and adapt the portfolio accordingly. Monitoring stock performance and reassessing portfolio diversification are essential practices to ensure the long-term health and effectiveness of the dividend portfolio. By following these fundamental strategies, investors can build a robust and resilient dividend portfolio capable of providing a reliable source of passive income and contributing to the achievement of long-term financial goals. Calculating the goal of $4,400 a month in dividends. For many investors, the goal of achieving a consistent monthly income of $4,400 in dividends may seem like an ambitious target. However, with the right strategies and careful planning, this goal can be realistically achieved. Let's compare two popular strategies to achieve this goal: investing in traditional dividend-paying stocks and covered call ETFs. Investing in traditional dividend-paying stocks. By investing in individual stocks of companies that pay dividends, investors can create a diversified portfolio of solid and reliable companies. Let's assume that, on average, these stocks offer an annual dividend yield of 3%. To determine the investment value needed to generate $4,400 in dividends per month, we can use the following formula. Investment required equals monthly goal divided by annual dividend yield divided by 12. Investment required equals $4,400 over 3% divided by 12, which approximately equals $1,760,000. Therefore, to achieve the goal of $4,400 in dividends per month with traditional dividend-paying stocks, an approximate investment of $1,760,000 would be needed. Investing in covered call ETFs. Covered call ETFs, also known as covered call options ETFs, offer an alternative approach to generating dividend income. These ETFs hold a portfolio of stocks while selling call options on those stocks, generating additional option premiums that are distributed to investors as dividends. Suppose a covered call ETF offers an annual dividend yield of 12%, as mentioned earlier. Using the same formula, we can calculate the investment value needed. Investment required $4,400 over 12% divided by 12. Investment required approximately $440,000. Therefore, to achieve the goal of $4,400 in dividends per month with covered call ETFs, an approximate investment of $440,000 would be needed. Comparison. When comparing the two strategies, it becomes evident that covered call ETFs require a much lower investment to achieve the same monthly income goal compared to traditional dividend-paying stocks. However, it is important to note that each strategy has its own risks and benefits, and investors should carefully consider their own financial goals and risk tolerance when choosing the most suitable approach for them. Specific strategies for living off dividends. Investing in dividends is one of the most solid ways to build wealth over time and achieve financial independence. Here are some specific strategies that investors can consider when seeking to live off dividends. Investing in blue chip stocks. Blue chip stocks are well-established companies, leaders in their sectors, with proven track records of solid performance and consistent dividends. These companies represent a solid foundation for dividend portfolios due to their financial stability and the reliability of their dividend payments over time. Investing in blue chips allows investors to enjoy a steady flow of passive income while also benefiting from the long-term appreciation potential of the stocks. Investing in dividend growth stocks. Dividend growth stocks are companies that not only pay dividends but also regularly increase the value of those payments over time. These companies typically have a consistent track record of earnings and cash flow growth, allowing them to increase dividends sustainably. The power of compounding from growing dividends is one of the biggest advantages of this strategy, as investors can see their income stream increase significantly over the years, even without increasing invested capital. Investing in covered call ETFs. Covered call ETFs offer a unique approach to generating dividend income. These ETFs hold a portfolio of stocks while selling call options on those stocks, generating additional option premiums that are distributed to investors as dividends. This strategy can offer a higher income than simply owning individual stocks, while also providing diversified exposure to the stock market. Examples of covered call ETFs include the Global X S&P 500 Covered Call ETF, XYLD, and the Invesco S&P 500 Buy Right ETF, PPP, among others. Each of these strategies offers investors a unique way to build a robust and sustainable dividend portfolio. By combining blue-chip stocks for stability, dividend growth stocks for growth, and covered call ETFs for additional income, investors can create a diversified portfolio that can provide a reliable source of passive income over time. It is important for investors to assess their own financial goals and risk tolerance when choosing which strategies are most suitable for them. Conclusion: exploring the various strategies for living off dividends, it becomes evident that there is no one-size-fits-all approach that works for all investors. Each strategy has its own strengths and considerations, and it is crucial to choose the one that best fits each individual investor's financial goals and risk tolerance. The choice between investing in blue-chip stocks, dividend growth stocks, or covered call ETFs should be carefully weighed, taking into account factors such as investment horizon, income needs, and risk aversion. There is no right or wrong answer, but rather a personalized approach that reflects the unique circumstances of each investor. Additionally, it is essential to seek professional financial guidance when making important investment decisions. A qualified financial advisor can help craft a personalized investment plan and provide valuable insights to help achieve long-term financial goals. Finally, I encourage readers to share their opinions, experiences, and questions in the comments. The exchange of ideas and mutual learning are essential for financial growth and personal development. Together, we can continue to learn and grow as investors, building a more solid and prosperous financial future for ourselves and future generations. Always remember to subscribe to the channel for more educational content on investments and personal finance, and share this video with friends and family who may benefit from this valuable information. Together, we can tread the path towards financial independence and investment success.